Hey guys, Skyforce95 here with an unboxing of the Japanese version of Hard Gold. And I just got this off eBay, so it is used, but it's in pretty good condition, so I thought I'd give you an unboxing anyway. And later I'll be doing a comparison video between this as well as the English version or American version of Soul Silver. So I'll be doing a comparison video of that, so stay tuned for my channel to see that video. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a quick tour of the box. Here's the front, Pokewalker included. It's pretty rare to find it these days, to find a set that's complete with a Pokewalker, so I felt very happy that I got such a great deal. Got it for actually about $30, just under 30 bucks. Here we are. I actually find it kind of interesting that Nintendo doesn't have a Japanese scripting of their company name, but maybe that's just the way they like it. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Here we are. Here's the game itself. And even though it is Japanese version, because it's for the Nintendo DS, it's actually not region locked, so you can actually play this on your American 3DS, for example. And I have my 3DS that I'll boot it up and show you guys. So also, here's the Pokewalker with the extra back plates. And here is the Pokewalker instruction manual, all in Japanese, which I cannot read, so let's go ahead and skip over that. So we can take a look at the Pokewalker first, I guess. Here's the back plate. It's the one with the clip, so if you like to clip it onto your belts, you can do so. The one that comes standard is just a regular simple flat back with a little area that you can loop it so you can put it on your wrist or something. And see, it's not even used, so it's really awesome. Just pull the tab and there's battery included. I actually lost my previous Pokewalker, which is actually the main reason why I bought this. Bought it for the Pokewalker. They're selling them for like super expensive these days, it's ridiculous. So you just need a small Phillips screwdriver to exchange the covers. It's not a big deal. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the cartridge. And the back is pretty much the same as the one on the outside box. Alright, so here's the manual. Manual and documentation. Get this out. Japanese actually comes with a lot more ads, is what I found out. Very cool paper manual. They don't make very extensive manuals anymore, because you can just do it digitally, save paper. Nintendo Wi-Fi booklets. And just some safety precaution stuff. Advertisements. More advertisements. And that's a Club Nintendo card, which you can't use unless you're in Japan. So there's all that. So finally, let's go ahead and get to the cartridge. Here it is. And it does support infrared because it needs to communicate with the Pokewalker, as indicated here. And the cartridge is a little bit shiny, so that's pretty cool too, just like the Soul Silver version. It's very nice and it's very in good condition. So very happy for that. Alright, go ahead and pop this into my DS and show you guys how it looks. Actually have my silver cartridge right there. Let's change that out for the Japanese Hard Gold. Here we are. Alright, so there it is. I'm not going to show you the entire gameplay, but see, it already has a save file above, as you can see here. I'm sure one of these says connect to PokeWalker. I have to figure out which one. But yeah, here we are. Alright, so will do it for the unboxing video. Stay tuned for my comparison, and thank you for watching, guys.